All right, I got an email from Emily, who has been a cellist her whole life, and she was telling me that her thumb is basically stuck in this closed position where she can't flatten out the palm. So she was wondering how she might be able to fix this. And I've seen this with a couple clients over the years, and I figured I'd just make this quick video to answer Emily's question. The answer to this is to simply try to stretch out these tiny little muscles at the base of the thumb. To do that, you could just grip. So let's just pretend it's on this side. So I've got this hand like that. You can just grip and try to keep the palm as open as you can and try to pull the base away from the rest of the palm. Now that you may not be able to get a good grip, so another thing you can do is go down to the floor, and then you've got the pressure you can put here to kind of maintain some leverage as you kind of grab here and pull the base of the thumb up towards the ceiling, and then you might be able to get some stretch. Another thing you can do that I actually do for my thumbs, because when I type a lot, my thumbs will want to like curl in like this. Another thing you can do is try to get the thumb out and away from the hand and away from that index finger. So hopefully you can see that. I'm just going out, and I can pull it open like that and just try to get used to that thumb position. You can try to just move forward, move around, just get the wrist and the fingers and the hand used to that new orientation. It's probably going to feel a little more intense to turn the fingers towards you and then do that same thing, just trying to keep that opened up. Okay, and then you can rock yourself back this way. That's going to be super intense. So if I'm moving back that way, I'll show you. As I'm moving back that way, this angle is getting smaller, which is going to make for a much more intense sensation in the forearm. Okay, but you don't need to rush to that. If you're really just trying to get that hand to open up, then you just keep trying to find ways to bring the base of that thumb out and open. Put it down on the floor, leverage it on your knee. Emily, those are my main ideas for opening that up. You just got to be creative about how you get that leverage in there and just keep trying to press that open. There's no way that that recovers unless you challenge the thumb to just move away from that flat portion of the hand. Okay, so give that a try, and then, you know, just with any kind of stretching, any kind of flexibility work, because that's what it is, you know, pay attention to what your body's telling you. The longer you can hold at a reasonable challenge level, the better, and just don't overdo it, especially when you first start. You don't want to be trying to make like 3,000% change. You want to just make gradual changes, especially initially, so you don't cripple yourself with soreness. And you know, your hands are very important to keep functioning, because you got to do stuff in daily life. Okay, so I hope that helps. Hit that like button, whatever. I don't know where I'm going to share this. Subscribe. And as always, I hope you remember that pain sucks, life shouldn't.